Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your trading mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, February 23rd, 2011. Today we had a total of 9 executable trade signals for a max potential of 55 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we had a wild and woolly day, and there was a lot of action going on, so let's just dive right into it. We opened up at 1325, and we actually quickly filled our very small gap, basically opened up right near the previous day's close, and we had a fast move up, which created an extension opportunity. Now, kind of an aggressive trade to take, but it was there, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks. As the market came back down through our moving average, again, we had another very fast move, set up an extension to the downside. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 16 ticks as the market continued to push lower in the morning session, and we came about 10:15 or so after the news was out. We had a push back up through our moving average, gave a signal to get long. Targets 1 and targets 2 as we pushed back up to the previous day's close, found resistance. Now what we actually did here, we got into a consolidation pattern. It was a wide pattern, and we started seeing signals that happened midstream. Now we actually pointed out the fact that we were consolidating through this mid-morning session, so there was an opportunity at the lower edge of this pattern to get long and at the upper edge to get short, and there was also some signals fired. Now the video here shows the signals, but we do show you some other techniques in the rooms where you can take advantage because a lot of times when you get into these periods of consolidation you can get chopped out. Today the pattern just happened to work for us okay. Had a signal to the downside, targets 1 and targets 2, 6 ticks, but you can see the market's just rotating back and forth. There's another signal long, targets 1 and 2 for 10 ticks, and then finally right before the dead zone, targets 1 and 2 for 6 ticks. But I'm just going to zoom out just to kind of show you what was really going on here. And if you look at this, you can see that this was just after the open and we made that initial push down. You know, there was just a rotation down, a rotation up, a rotation down, a rotation up, and it was kind of wedging in here. And then right after, right heading into the lunchtime dead zone, they actually broke down kind of what that lower edge of that wedge would be, and the market then fell off hard, as you know, through the dead zone. So we'll zoom back in here, get back to our trading signals. The market did fall off hard. There was an opportunity on that trend line break of that wedge to get in this position right before the dead zone, and if you trailed it you were real happy with what happened because you wouldn't have gotten stopped out down here until about 1303. But coming out of the dead zone at 115 we started actually looking for signals again, and we crossed down through our moving average. We pulled back. We actually had a signal here to get short. Unfortunately for us, we were run right over. That was a T0 minus 14, but after that stop out it set up another signal long, targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 11 ticks, and then finally there was one last signal short right before the 3 o'clock quitting time, and that hit targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks. So there was a lot of trading going on. It was quite a busy day, and again that mid-morning session there was a consolidation that took place. You could have edge traded that around our range that we pointed out in the room, but had you just stuck with the system signals today, you fared okay. But as you recall, there are times in the past where we get in those range environments and you see that we just get chopped up. So I don't suggest you take the system signals in the middle of range. I suggest you look more for the edges, and again we can help you out with that in our daily trading room. So all in all, great day. 9 trades, 55 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.